Wonderful.
Alright guys, so yeah, we got the Fluval 407. We're opening the box right now. We're gonna show as we set it up and everything. Put in the tank, you know, everything. So this is the Fluval 407 canister in the box. You see the holes on the side and everything. Now I'm taking out the canister. Nice little size canister filter. Now mom's holding the other parts that goes with it. There's the holes for the filter. Holding it again. Alright, so we're gonna start putting things together. Alright guys, so right here is all the parts laid out. And so you got the canister, you got the hose, you got I forgot the little thing goes on top of the canister. I think it's like the valve thing, I forgot exactly. If I'm wrong, you can correct me. Alright guys, so now I'm taking the top off the canister. Alright, so my mom got the bag for the little ring I'm talking about. That right there. It goes on the top of the canister that I'm holding. So we was thinking it goes on that part right there, the canister, right under the top, but it goes on the top that I'm holding, that we found out later. So it's like a little groove and you just wrap it around the top. It goes in there real nice and easily. And so after you figure that out, you just pop it in there and then boom, you good to go from there. Okay. So now inside of the canister there's like 4 little baskets, I believe that they call it. I don't got the manual right here, instructions or anything, but so there's 4 little baskets in there. You take them out, they got plastic around the stuff, so you're supposed to take the stuff out the plastic bag and then rinse them out. And the little red little thing that was in there is so you can pull all 4 out at once. So you're gonna wanna take out the plastic of the stuff that's wrapped inside. Alright, so what we did, we will cut the plastic bag and then we'll pour the stuff in the basket and then we'll run water through it and we'll like shake it so it will rinse the stuff off. Pretty much now we're stacking it in a way so when we rinse it out we will know which order it was in. Alright, so that top basket will have the biofoam, the second basket will have the biomax, and then the third basket will have the carbon, I believe if I'm right, and then that 4th one at the bottom will have more biofoam. So we just got done rinsing off everything in the basket, so now we're putting a little top over the baskets, and then now the top of the canister goes on top. So you put it on, you want to put it on the ground, something like on a hard surface, because it's hard to do it when you're on something soft. Alright, so I using the floor for a hard surface to push down the top of the canister. And so right where it says 407 right there on the Fluval, make sure there's no gap right there, and there's no gap, you're good to go. So this little gap, and so I end up taking it off and push it down a little more. Alright, so now I'm on to put it in the intake part of the hole in the fish tank. I fast forward a little bit so you gotta watch the long part of the video. And the water's slow because we just took out some of the water so we can clean it. And then there's like a little suction thing that what helps with the intake and the water, it just keep it against the back of the fish tank. Alright, so now my mom's doing the output nozzle on the back of the tank on the opposite side. It gives a cool little flow in the water in the tank, but also make sure you line up the holes so where they're gonna go, so when you cut it it'll be perfect. And so this is pretty much after we get all lined up. This is after we got the water added in. It's, you know, you see it's all like, it's not clear, but wait, it's gonna get clear. Boom, it looks nice. We got the little bubble bars in the back right now we have a few fish, but wait again. Alright, so now we got some neons down at the bottom. Now as I speak, we just got another 4. You want a little update on the tank, let me know. I'll make a little short video or whatever, YouTube short. So these are the neon tetras that we just got. We got like 32 of them, something like that. But yeah, this is after we got our Fluval canister all put together. Got a nice flow going. We got some neon tetras we just got. Also, we got 4 new fish. Let me know. I'll make a short video if you want to see. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped if you putting together your Fluval 407 canister. Your boy Captain is out. Peace.